You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, if you want to call out this AI or this software or this assistant. Hey, meta would be the British English pronunciation, meta, or the Americans say it as meta. Hey meta. Let's see if it works. Turn on your phone and let's see if I can call it out. Hey meta or hey meta, which one works best? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.